Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to be doing a box opening on a Weston Pro Series number 22. It's a 1.5 horsepower meat grinder, and I got this specifically to make dog food out of rabbits and chicken and all kinds of stuff. We do a raw food diet, and we wanted to get something that was going to hold up. So let's go ahead and open this up and then we'll talk about it. I just got this in the other day. Let's see what it looks like. Heavy. Let's go ahead and put it together and we'll use it a little bit. Just snaps into place right here. It has a little holder, and then here's all your attachments for stuffing sausage and stuffing bags. Pusher, instruction booklet, of course. We're going to read that here in a minute, and then a little bag to keep all your accessories in. Okay, so we got it all put together. We got the big plate in here. We're going to leave that big plate in here, and we're going to try this without it. Now, the on and off switches over here on the right. There's a reverse and a forward. That's in case you get a jam or something like that. And then I got some fresh rabbit I just slaughtered, so we're gonna go ahead and chop them up into some parts, and then go ahead and try to make some ground rabbit. I got these little bags to stuff with, so let's go ahead and put this assembly on real quick. And it's very simple. You just take this off. This is the smaller plate I was telling you about. So this just for here if you want to have a quart, like a finer grind. And we're going to use this big bag, or this big stuffer. And then we're just going to put this plastic piece on, and we're going to slide it in here. And put it on. So these little bump outs, there's 3 of them in here. You put them in these little slots, and then you just turn it. And that creates a nice flush seal. And just make it nice and tight. Let's get started. First time doing this, so got my little bag. I'm gonna put my bag on here. And let's get it started. And there we go, look at that. Fresh ground, bone-in rabbit meat. So it works pretty well. I got a little machine to clamp this off, so we'll do that after we're done here. But let's get this all ground up and we'll see how much we get out of these 6. I have 6 rabbits here, so we're gonna see how many of these little 1-pound bags. These are a little bit more than a pound though, I can feel it. We ended up getting 18.5 pounds of meat and 12 chubs, I guess you call these things, little bags, and it was very easy to clean up. So we were able to get this thing gone through and cleaned up in like less than a half hour. Got all the meat ground up and cleaned. So I really like this. I'm glad I got this. This is going to make a really good addition to the farm, and just it's good for like I said, dog food, but it's also good for ground meat or ground pork or whatever you want to do. Anyways, if you guys like watching these kind of videos, hit the like button, subscribe, really helps out the channel. Alright, thanks for watching.